In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WooCommerce shop page with Elementor in just about 5 minutes. This is a fantastic way to enhance your online store with a customized, stylish look that can really set you apart from the competition. Regardless of your previous experience with web design or Elementor, you'll find these steps straightforward and easy to follow. So, let's dive right in and transform your WooCommerce shop page. First, we will navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic begins. Your dashboard is the control center for your website, and accessing it is the first step to making any changes or additions to your site. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't already. The dashboard is incredibly user-friendly, designed to make your web management as smooth as possible. Next, let's find the Pages section. This is where all the pages of your website are stored and managed. Clicking on Pages will bring up a list of all the current pages on your site, and it's also where you can add new ones. We're making a new page for your WooCommerce shop, so this step is crucial. After that, you're going to click on Add New Page. This creates a blank canvas within WordPress where you can start building your new shop page. It's exciting to think of this as the foundation of your new project, a space where your ideas can start taking shape. Give your page a title that reflects what it will be, perhaps simply shop, or something more specific to your brand and inventory. Once your page is set up, look for the Edit with Elementor button. Elementor is a powerful WordPress page builder that lets you create beautiful pages using a visually intuitive drag and drop interface. Clicking this button will launch Elementor, and you will then see your new page ready to be custom designed in a live, easy to navigate editing environment. This is where the real creative process begins. Elementor makes it simple to add images, text, buttons, and more, all designed to showcase your products in the best possible way. With Elementor, customization is key. You have the freedom to alter your page to exactly how you want it. Add product galleries, testimonials, promotional banners, whatever you feel will best serve your shop and your customers. Elementor's interface is incredibly user-friendly, so don't be afraid to experiment with different elements and layouts. This step is all about making your shop page visually appealing and functional for your visitors. Finally, once you're happy with how your page looks, it's time to click Publish. This will make your new WooCommerce shop page live on your website for the world to see. But don't worry, publishing doesn't mean you can't go back and make changes later. The beauty of WordPress and Elementor is the flexibility they offer. You can update your page as often as you like, refining your layout and content to continually enhance your users' shopping experience. And there you have it. In just a handful of steps, you've created a custom WooCommerce shop page using Elementor. This new page will serve as a dynamic, engaging platform for selling your products online. Remember, the key to a successful online store is not just the products you sell, but how you present them to your customers. By following these steps and utilizing the power of Elementor, you've equipped yourself with the tools needed to design an online shop that's both attractive and effective. Don't hesitate to revisit any of the steps or explore Elementor further to find new ways to enhance your shop page. The more you familiarize yourself with the capabilities of this powerful tool, the more you'll discover the endless possibilities for customizing your online store. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. I'm excited to see how your WooCommerce shop page turns out. Happy designing and best of luck with your online store.